A thriving garden is a testament to the gardener's dedication and knowledge. And one of the fundamental pillars of success lies in mastering the art of watering. Watering is not just a routine task. It's a nuanced practice that can make or break your garden. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the essential techniques to ensure your garden remains lush, vibrant, and, most importantly, healthy. Understanding your garden's water needs. Before diving into watering techniques, it's crucial to understand the specific water requirements of your garden. Different plants have different needs, and factors such as soil type, climate, and sunlight play a significant role. Research the water preferences of your plants and group them accordingly to create efficient watering zones. The right timing. Timing is everything when it comes to watering. Watering in the morning is generally recommended, as it allows the plants to absorb moisture before the heat of the day. This reduces the risk of fungal diseases and ensures optimal hydration. Avoid watering in the evening, as damp conditions overnight can encourage the growth of fungi. Deep root watering. Shallow, frequent watering can lead to shallow root systems. Encourage deep root growth by watering less frequently, but deeply. This promotes stronger, more drought-resistant plants. Use a soaker hose or drip irrigation system to deliver water directly to the base of the plants, minimizing water loss through evaporation. Mulching magic. Mulching is a gardener's secret weapon. A layer of organic mulch around plants helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. This means less frequent watering, as the soil stays consistently moist. Choose mulch materials that suit your garden's aesthetics and the specific needs of your plants. Rainwater harvesting. Harness the power of nature by incorporating rainwater harvesting into your garden routine. Collect rainwater in barrels or other containers and use it to supplement your watering schedule. Rainwater is naturally soft and devoid of chlorine and other chemicals, making it an ideal choice for plants. Smart irrigation systems. Embrace technology to streamline your watering process. Smart irrigation systems allow you to program watering schedules based on plant needs, weather forecasts, and soil moisture levels. These systems can be controlled remotely, putting the power of efficient watering at your fingertips. Regular monitoring and adjustments. Keep a close eye on your garden's moisture levels and be ready to adjust your watering schedule as needed. Factors such as sudden weather changes, plant growth, and seasonal variations can impact water requirements. Regular monitoring ensures that your garden receives the care it deserves. Mastering the art of watering is an ongoing journey that requires observation, adaptation, and a deep understanding of your garden's unique ecosystem. By implementing these techniques, you'll not only conserve water, but also cultivate a garden that radiates health and vitality. Remember, a well-watered garden is a canvas of life, where every drop contributes to the masterpiece of nature.